Before we start anything, let's think about how we can solve this question. Here we have the product of x to the power of 3 over 2 and ln x. So we can use the integration by parts method. Using the equation integral x to the power of n equals x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, we can find the integral of x to the power of 3 over 2. But we don't have a direct equation to get integral ln x. So we can prioritize x to the power of 3 over 2. Then we can solve this integral. Clear? Let's jump into the question. First we need to find the integral of x to the power of 3 over 2. We know the integral of x to the power of n equals x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. Using this equation, we can write the integral of x to the power of 3 over 2 as x to the power of 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. We can keep the ln x part as it is. Then the integral of x to the power of 5 over 2 times the differentiation of ln x. Differentiation of the ln x value equals 1 over x. Denominator value 5 over 2 is a constant. So we can bring 1 over 5 over 2 value outside of the brackets and the outside of the integral. 1 over x value we can write as 1 over x to the power of 1. 1 over 5 over 2 value equals 2 over 5. X to the power of 5 over 2 times 1 over x to the power of 1 value we can write as x to the power of 5 over 2 minus 1. X to the power of 5 over 2 minus 1 value we can get as x to the power of 3 over 2. Then we need to get integral x to the power of 3 over 2. X to the power of 3 over 2 integral we can write as x to the power of 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. Denominator value 5 over 2 is a constant. So we can bring 1 over 5 over 2 value outside of the brackets. After that we can get 1 over 5 over 2 value as 2 over 5. Finally, we need to substitute upper limit and lower limit for these answers. First one, x to the power of 5 over 2 times ln x. Upper limit e minus lower limit 1. Second one, x to the power of 5 over 2. Upper limit e minus lower limit 1. ln e value equals 1. ln 1 value equals 0. 1 to the power of 5 over 2 equals 1. So now we can write 2 over 5 within bracket e to the power of 5 over 2 times 1 minus 1 times 0 minus 4 over 25 within bracket e to the power of 5 over 2 minus 1. After that we can remove the brackets. Then we have 2 times e to the power of 5 over 2 over 5 minus 4 times e to the power of 5 over 2 over 25 plus 4 over 25. We can get a common denominator for e values. Then we have 10 times e to the power of 5 over 2 minus 4 times e to the power of 5 over 2 over 25. 10 times e to the power of 5 over 2 minus 4 times e to the power of 5 over 2 equals 6 times e to the power of 5 over 2. So now we have the final answer as 6 times e to the power of 5 over 2 over 25 plus 4 over 25.